Godzilla!
license plate on the rear of their car, and then they're purposely running through the speed camera.
It's
And
Godzilla Cat!
the victim gets the $40 citation in the mail.
You know, Joe, that is not a nice thing to do, especially at Christmas time. Are they getting away with this, or is someone...
Godzilla Cat!